Hey everybody, once again it's time for Out for the Trash. Today we have a Poulan Pro overhead valve. It's 140cc PPV 550 lawnmower. It has a price tag on it of $259. G Junior looked at it and said, what year do you think it is?
I think this is from 2012.
We think it's from 2012. Out for the trash. So let's just do a real quick look at it and see if it has any gas in it. That is the weirdest gas cap I've ever seen on a lawnmower. It does have gas in it. Oh, it smells good. Smells good. Put the cap back on it. Boy, the birds are just making tons of noise today. Where is the oil dipstick? Up over on this side. And we have a little dipstick. We're on a little bit of a hill. And it's got oil, looks okay. Caution hot. All right, let's take and it does have a primer bulb. Oh, that primer bulb feels like it's about to break. I thought I caught my ringer off. Let's go ahead and give that a pull.
It wants to go.
Yeah, it started up. That's unbelievable. All right. All right, everybody, there is the Poulan Pro that we got out of the trash, and all we did was push the primer bulb and it started up. It looks like it is a self-propelled mower, and it looks like the self-propelled cable is broken. So we're gonna have to look into that and see what's going on. We got one more other thing out for the trash. We got this post office box full of aluminum, phone wire, all sorts of cabling that will probably be going to the metal yard. Up some metal spikes. Those are gutter spikes. Yeah, look at all the wire. Unbelievable. So this stuff here will go in our wire bin to go to the metal yard. All right, everybody. Well, we might clean this one up, get a cable, pull that cover off.
And this is kind of broken.
Yeah, the air cleaner's kind of broken. We'll probably pull that cover off and see what's going on with the transmission, see if the cable just broke or if there's something wrong with that. But there's another one out for the trash, rescued by the G Automotive and More. So
G Junior.
And G Junior
came down and picked it up.
Well, yeah, but I called you to tell you where it was. Well, anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my trash find videos, and we'll talk to you all later.